Meaning of longboat.
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 Longboat. A longboat is a type of boat that is typically narrow and slender, and often propelled by oars or sails. It is commonly used for transportation and exploration purposes, particularly in earlier times when sea travel was the primary mode of transportation between places. Longboats were also frequently used in naval warfare, as they were fast and maneuverable in combat situations. In modern times, longboats are still used for recreational and competitive rowing events, and are popular among enthusiasts of traditional maritime culture.